All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of this awesome one bed here in Alston, or Brighton, I should say. It's right off of Commonwealth Avenue, just a short walk to the Warren Street T station. All right, you have two good size windows right here. Sliding door closets. Alright, we got outlets, one right there and then another one right over there. By the way, the heat and hot water are included. And into the living room. So really good sized living room. Windows. As you can see, it's overlooking. We are on the first floor, so you don't have to worry about walking up all those stairs. Alright, there's an outlet right there and an outlet right there. And that noise that you hear is actually the fire alarm. I just had to turn on the breakers real quick to turn on the lights. So you won't have that. Don't worry about that. Here's the bathroom. Tiled floor, toilet, sink. The vanity, shower, and tub. Window, which is overlooking. Well, it's frosted, but it's the side of the building. Okay. There is a closet right here for extra storage. Okay, it's pretty good size. And then you have your kitchen, stove with oven, sink, cabinets below and up top, a vent with some lights, fridge. You got a window here overlooking again the side of the building. The laundry would be just below us, like down there. And yeah, fridge right there. This concludes our video walkthrough. There's, as I said, laundry in the building and heat and hot water included. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll be in touch. Have a good one.